Hello. With Shitlify, you can create text animation. Just go to menu, then go to Shitlify Direct Upload here in the last button. Wait for a while. A small button appears on left top corner. Just take choose file, text animation, open. This is the name of your country. You can change if it is other nation. Go to Excel. Click change it as Norway. Copy and paste it here also. Then save. Refresh. Simplify. Press plus button. Choose file. Thank you.